Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to reveal to you the tree in 1 second. So there's other people here decorating their tree, so I'm going to be quick about this. So, a girl loving food on Chincoteague auction tree. So this is a silent auction. They are going to show me a link. Skylar, your sign came in handy again, your topper, and we added some new festive stuff to it. So this is what is happening with this tree. So they're going to share me the links. There is going to be a silent auction. There's about 30 items in this auction, and they are going to share the link with me, and we'll post it. So if you are interested in bidding on this tree, they are going to do 3 auctions. The value between each of them is going to be between $700 and $800, I believe. So it would be awesome, guys. Awesome if we could get this to like triple the total. That would just make my day. So anyway, so let me just tell you, I want to share this with you guys. So you know, I moved here 5 years ago. I've been coming to Chincoteague since 1982. I was 17 years old the very first time I ever came here. And never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I'd be living here, let alone be doing something like this. This just blows me away. I'm ready to cry, honestly, because this tree represents so much to me as a person, as somebody that's promoting Chincoteague and the food and the businesses, because I love them and I just want to promote you guys so much. And so I just truly thank you, the business owners, for helping me make this a reality and help me make this a great fundraiser for the museum and for the BB barn, because that's what they're going to be doing with the money. Is it's going to go toward the rebuilding the barn, and we'll go from there. So anyway, so I'm going to get myself off this camera because you don't want to look at me. I'm going to show you my tree. It's so much better looking. So I just want to personally thank, these are the businesses that are on this tree right now. So we've got Don Valero's, we've got the Marina Restaurant at Captain's Cove, we've got Rope Walk, we've got Island Creamery, Lily's Little Mexico, Mr. Baldy's, Mr. Whippy's, Maria's Family Restaurant, JoJo's Family Restaurant in Salisbury, Captain Zach's, Cosa Pizza, AJ's on the Creek and Drift, BYOC, Build Your Own Cookie, Church Street Produce, Blackfin Island Grill, Amarin Coffee, Pico Taqueria, Lito's Pizza, Gary Howard Seafood, Matomkin Seafood, Chincoteague, Bill's Prime, The Village, Big Boy's Hot Dog, Famous Pizzeria, Tiger's Restaurant, Extra Sweets, ALB Macarons, My Homemade Treats and Truffles, Johnny's Frying Coop, Channel Bass Inn, Ray's Shanty, High Tide Candy, High Tide Candy donated 3 bags of candy, Better, Steamers, Mother Shuckers, Mother Shucker Oysters. I still need to pick up the ones from Beach Road Roundup and a few others. So guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Never ever, I started to have this dream last year, and to see this tree come to fruition just blows me away. So still a little bit more ornaments to add, but not much, and I will send a new video when it's all done. I got to put my QR codes on there and some of the other ones. I want to put some gifty looking things down the bottom, just to give it that festive Christmas tree look. So thank you. Let's make this the best fundraiser tree that they could ever have. They're not auctioning off any other trees that I know of, just this one. So anyway, bid on this tree, because guess what? You're going to win between $700 and $800 of gift cards. But we want to make that more than $700 to $800 in donations. So bid. A girl loving food on Chincoteague. Thank you. Like and follow me on Facebook. There's Sally. She helped me again this year. Like and follow me on YouTube and TikTok and Facebook. Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. Again, guys, thank you a million. Thank you.